Yes, dear friends, now we shall discuss about continuing part of the meaning and importance of sociology, the second session. In this session, we shall discuss about early sociologists. There are number of early sociologists, that means foreign, and prominent Indian sociologists. They are B.R. Ambedkar, G.S. Curre, M.N. Srinivas, Bharatama Singh, Airavati Karve, A.R. Desai, and points to remember and trivia. This session is contented such matter, so we will discuss one by one next. First of all, early sociologist. In that early sociologist, one of the important person, none other than he was the father of our sociology. That is Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte was born on 1798 and died on 1857. See, Auguste Comte is an important French philosopher. He was the father of sociology. Socios and logos, the word derived from Greek word. Socios means companion, logos means study. Totally, the sociology is study about the companion. Okay. So here he was the philosopher. He is the first social philosopher in sociology developmental process. See, he is called as the father of sociology. Why we call Auguste Comte as the father of sociology? Because he was the first French philosopher and the first social philosopher also. That's why he got the father of sociology. He studied society scientifically and provided the status of science for sociology. So that's why he got the father of sociology. That means Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. He studied scientifically society and provided the status of science to the sociology. That's why he got the father of sociology. Who was the father of sociology? Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. Why did he call as the father of sociology? Because he studied society. Through scientifically and provided the great status of science. This sociology. That's why he got the father of sociology. Okay. He was the earliest sociologist, so the father of sociology. This effort of Auguste Comte was strongly supported by Herbert Spencer. So, Auguste Comte strongly and deeply and scientifically studied about society with the influence, with the support of other sociologists or early sociologists. Which are those? These persons are Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, and others, fully supported to the Auguste Comte to do great achievement in the field of sociology. So, Comte used the word sociology first, and for the first time while delivering a public lecture on positive philosophy. Public lecturing given by, the public lecture was given by Auguste Comte on the subject matter positive philosophy. The great books written by positive philosophy by Auguste Comte. He has talked about positive philosophy to the public lecturing, public people. What were the major contributions of Auguste Comte? See, here mentioned the great contribution given by Auguste Comte to the sociology through the writing form. Which are those? See, positive philosophy written by him in the year of 1839. Positive quality also written by him in the time of 1851. And human religion 1857, the first war of Indian independence. During that time, Auguste Comte, who wrote many other important books on sociology, So we lost the great soul of Comte during the year of September 5, 1857, at the age of 59. Yes, dear students, are you understand about Auguste Comte? The Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. He talked about positive philosophy to the public lecturing, and because of he got that father of philosophy, father of sociology, he studied about society directly and provided the great science status to the sociology. That's why he got the father of sociology, and he did so many written books during his time. These are the great contribution given by Auguste Comte to the sociology, and he was also attracted, influenced and supported by the Karl Marx, Max Weber and Emile Durkheim and others also. Okay, not only he write these books and other books also, but we lost the great soul of Auguste Comte September 5, 1857 at the age of 59. Are you clear? Okay, next we shall discuss the another one, early sociology. See the books of Auguste Comte, the positive philosophy and system of positive quality, also second book. Okay. Next one, Karl Marx. Already you know that Karl Marx is nothing but conflict theory. So Karl Marx, famous for the conflict theory. He was the important social thinker of world repute of 19th century. Why? So world repute of 19th century common era. He was a political revolutionary and clever organizer and a sensitive writer. See the picture of the victory symbol of Karl Marx. See his hair. How? And Mostek also. See, beautiful. So Karl Marx, one of the great political revolutionary mind person and clever organizer, anything else, and also sensitive writer in the sociology, written books. He was born on 1818 and died on 1883. He has given more contribution to sociology. Karl Marx is called as the father of class struggle theory. Auguste Comte was famous for positive quality and positive philosophy. Like that, Karl Marx also famous for class struggle theory. His thoughts on working class and laborer class. His concentration in his book, thoughts about working class and also labor, led to a new direction in labor struggle. He has given the direction of struggle to the labor class to make them uplift. So this book influenced to laborers. They are doing such work as inferior work. So in that time, that books awakening the laborer people. His major contributions, say, Das Kapital. That book was written by him during the year of 1865. The Holy Family and the German ideology in 1845. Next, the manifesto of the Communist Party in 1848 and others books also written by him. These are the great contributions given by Karl Marx. Karl Marx died on March 14, 1883. See, the Das Kapital also one of the important books written by him, and manifesto of the Communist Party. See, Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels, and the German ideology also written by him. The Holy Family are critique. So these are all the books written by Karl Marx to uplift the labor class in the society. Next, another one person, early sociologist. How the Albert Comte, Karl Marx were great like that. Emile Durkheim also has given great contribution to sociology. So Emile Durkheim is the important sociologist during the 19th century. In France, he proved that sociology is at fair with any other science with his scientific ratings. So he has written scientific writings about sociology like Albert Comte. So that's why he became great writer of sociology and sociologist. Durkheim is called as the father of the development of sociology. Who is the father of sociology? As Comte was the father of sociology. And who was the father of development of sociology? Emile Durkheim was the father of the development of sociology. The founder Albert Comte, developer Emile Durkheim. See the picture of Emile Durkheim. Next we will see the great contributions of the division of labor in society in 1893. Next, second one, suicide theory, 1897. The rules of sociological method, 1895. The elementary reforms of religious life, so 1912 and others. See these books. Emile Durkheim written by this book, The Division of Labor in Society, first book, great book. And Emile Durkheim written The Rules of Sociological Method. What are the sociological methods are mentioned in that books. The elementary forms of the religious life. How the elementary forms of the religious life? What is religion? How the religious life is there? Everything also explained. According to him, religion, what is religion? Religion which is a process of all human beings worship the sacred things. That is called religion according to him. And next, suicide theory also written by him. Why the people going to commit suicide explained here by him, and what are the remedies, what are the solutions also mentioned in that book. See and read it. Okay. Last one, Max Weber. Max Weber, born on 1864 and died on 1920, recent sociologist, early. Max Weber is an unforgettable personality in the field of social science. Social science got the great contribution by Max Weber. He was one of the more prominent writers and also politicians of Germany. Weber had interest in law and also economics, religion, art, history and sociology. So these are all knowing person, Max Weber. That's why he was his great contribution to the development of social science or field of social science. So social science became a great and great, day by day, step by step, growth by the contribution of Max Weber. Not only sociology, the other subject of law, economics, religion, art, history and sociology also. So see the picture of Max Weber. What were the great contributions or major contributions of Max Weber? The Protestant Ethics and the Spirit of Capitalism. Important books written by him during 1904. The City, second book. Third one, the Economy and the Society and others. See, the Protestant and Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, the City, and Max Weber written the Economy and Society. How linked there? Everything also has been explained in that books by Max Weber. So these are the important and great contributions given by Max Weber. See, one of the important question here. Who is called as the father of sociology? What is the great book of him? See, Albert Comte, He is called as the father of sociology, positive philosophy, and also given great definition to the sociology. Second question. Who is called as the founder of class struggle theory? Anybody react to this question? Okay. The class struggle theory is written by Karl Marx. The theory of class struggle. The conflict theory. Next, we shall discuss and continue the prominent Indian sociologist Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, in next class. Thank you for watching my